What about the geographical area? You're located in the hub of probably the world, Washington, D.C. You have Maryland just across the river. You all are in Virginia. So how far out do you reach?
We're primarily in the Virginia area, Northern Virginia, which is where our office is located in McLean, Virginia. But we have clients outside of the area. We have clients in other states. So it varies, but for most part, it's in the Northern Virginia, D.C. metro area. Since the Washington, D.C. metro area is fairly transient, we have quite a few clients that came with us when they lived in the Washington, D.C. metro area, and then they moved to other states for whatever reason. They retired or relocated job-wise, and they still stayed our clients because through internet and email and texting, we stay in touch with them and we provide them the same great service they got when they were in Northern Virginia.